Hey, what's up guys, Zach here, and welcome to GameMaker Studio 2 Foundation.
This brand new game design course makes it simple, fun, and easy to create widely expansive video games. This course gives you the absolute foundational material you need to start and continue in game development. If you're tired of tutorials on YouTube not making sense, then it's probably because you lack the foundation in coding that you need. As for me, it took me years to understand concepts that are easily explained in this new course. What if I told you could build this game? Now, what if I told you could build this game in less than an hour with the proper understanding in programming? Part of this course takes you through the complete process of building this game, but that's not all. Every month you're guaranteed new course material ranging from beginner level to advanced. This course will be a staircase into the game development world, and before you know it, anything that comes to mind can be created. Check out the information below and have fun learning.
As you may know, my name is Zach and I run the YouTube channel RealTouchGML. I also created CodyMadeSimple.com, which is a platform where people can go and learn how to create their own video games from start to finish. The inspiration for the GameMaker Studio 2 Foundations course was based off of something that I wanted back in the day when first learning how to use GameMaker. This has everything you need to know to start creating games. Throughout this course, whether you're a beginner, intermediate, or even advanced, I guarantee you, you will learn from this course, and we'll be taking it step by step, from even learning syntax, to learning the interface, to creating a game based on all of the knowledge you accumulated before we start creating the game, right? So if you have a game that you think would be really cool, the dream is to be able to create that game, and that's what Foundation strives to do. So check out the link below and have fun learning, guys. Peace.